Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google account verification on Samsung Galaxy A41. Okay, as you can see, we are doing the setup process. That's the FRP factory reset protection, and now let me show you how we can bypass it. But before we begin, we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, only try to unlock your devices, in no other case someone else's, because that's a crime and that's also unethical. As you can see, there's no skip button or anything like that. And now what to do? We need to power off the device first. Hold the power key and volume down and select power off. And now visit our page HardReset.Info, you can see the link right in here, and go straight to download section. You need to download Samsung drivers, click on search, select Samsung drivers and hit the download button. Then go back to download section and type SAM FRP MTK and download this app. But before you hit the download button, you need to turn off your antivirus for now. Don't worry, this app is not a threat or anything like that. Basically, every FRP2 app is recognized by the antivirus as a threat, so that is why for now we need to turn it off. I'm using Windows Defender, so I gotta go into virus and threat protection, then manage settings, and we need to turn off the real-time protection and also the second thing. Okay, now we can click the download button. Okay, in here click on those three dots, select keep, expand the arrow and click on keep anyway. Now go to downloads folder, and here we have our FRP tool and Samsung drivers. We need to extract those two files. I'm using WinRAR, so right click, WinRAR and extract to. Same thing with the Samsung drivers. Then open up the folder with the Samsung drivers and you need to install them. Double click, and in my case it says that it's already installed, so I'm not going to repeat the installation process once again. But in your case, if you are doing it for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation of the drivers, so thanks to that everything will work properly. Now we need to enter the download mode on our phone, but before we do it, let's launch the FRP tool. Open it up, double click and launch the GSM Prime, more info and run anyway. If you'll see that, if you'll see a notification from your antivirus, you may also need to manually allow for this threat for now. So go into allowed threats and you need to allow it for now, because otherwise there's a chance that the antivirus will still delete the app without your permission. Okay, we have the FRP, and now let's enter download mode. To do it, we need to hold both volume keys at the same time. We also need to have the USB-C cable connected to our computer as well. I highly recommend to use the original Samsung USB-C cable. If you don't have the original one, you can use a different good quality USB-C cable that supports sending the data. Now hold volume up and volume down, insert the cable, but don't release volume keys, keep holding them until you see a menu. It looks like that. Now click on volume up. We are in download mode, and then we just need to click Samsung MTK FRP Odin. Keep waiting until it's finished. Okay. Erase FRP. Keep waiting, don't do anything, wait until it's finished. Okay, and we can see erase FRP data. Okay, it means that it has worked. Now we can unplug the cable. Let's wait until the phone turns on. We'll go through the setup and I'll show you that everything has been successfully removed. After the setup, I will perform one more reset, the factory reset for the settings, just to make sure that everything has been fully removed. That's what I also recommend. Now we can close everything. We don't need those things anymore. I'll go to full screen, and then now let's wait until our phone turns on, and we'll go through the setup. Okay, click on Start. Select your language, click on Next. 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 Agree. And now we can even turn off the Wi-Fi, and now we have possibility to skip, because when FRP is enabled, it's impossible. When you can click on skip, it means that everything has worked. Now I'm about to click on Don't Copy. Next. More, accept. I'm skipping the screen lock. Finish. The phone has turned on. It's ready to use. But let's perform that one last reset through the settings. So open them up, scroll all the way down, General Management, Reset, and select Factory Data Reset, confirm, and hit the button one last time. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.